Hi, this is Michael Miller from iMiller Microscopes. iMiller is a fourth-generation family-run business promoting and selling the brand Leica Microscopes. Leica is a industry leader optical manufacturer, and today we're going to be reviewing their leading stereo microscope, the Ivesta 3 series. The Ivesta 3 is their routine Greeno stereo microscope, very nice design, and has a lot of industry-leading specifications. The zoom range on this system goes from 0.6 to 55x or 5.5x, which when you put in your 10x eyepieces gives you a leading zoom range of 6x to 55x. Along with the magnification range that's standard across all three series, this system comes with Leica patented fusion optics. Fusion optics are the ability to have different characteristics between your left and right eye where your brain merges the image together. So with that being said, this gives you the greatest working distance underneath the microscope, gives you a large field of view, and a greater depth of focus. So when you're doing inspection or anything like that, reworking or soldering or anything underneath the microscope, it gives you a little bit more flexibility, along with the added zoom range. The system also has plan-apo lenses and has ability to manipulate the working distance and magnification with a series of objective lenses that screw onto the bottom of it. So this here in my hand that I'm working with is the Ivesta optical system, so the Ivesta 3 just standard. It's a great system, optics only, really simple, really easy, and a great way to improve or upgrade your current microscopes. To my right, we're going to go over the Ivesta integrated. So this little added wedge on top here is where the integrated camera is included. Integrated camera gets you a really nice, cost-effective solution, adding image capabilities. In the back here, you can see that we're going to have different output modes. So we can go USB to a computer, we can go HDMI to a large screen, and we can also emit this Wi-Fi and a couple other options. Really nice thing with this camera and across some of the Leica platform is what's called EnterSight. EnterSight is a new platform, a software platform from Leica that makes things very consistent, very easy to use. So if you were to use it in HDMI or USB, you would actually get the same interface across both platforms, keeping it very nice and consistent for multiple users. And within that, which we'll go over in a different video, it's going to give you a lot of advanced camera and capture controls. Over to my left here, we have the Ivesta 3 C-mount. So this, as you can see here, has this C-mount port on top, which is interchangeable. So this allows us to add an external camera onto it. So the C-mount is interchangeable for different magnifications. You can, of course, put a lineup of the Leica cameras on there, or for whatever reason have you that there is the ability to put a different brand camera on the microscope, giving you the ability to have the high-quality optics with whatever camera and software you may be used to in the past. This is a really nice option. You can manipulate field of view, eyepieces versus camera. It gives you a lot of flexibility within the optical system. That is the overview of the Leica Ivesta 3 series. Of course, these come with a slew of different accessories for stands, lighting, and all of that. So check back in more for some additional videos, and we'll go over that next time. Thanks.